Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Honda Accord Crosstour. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, a nice chrome grille, a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes your navigation as well. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Honda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.